Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Papercrafting. Welcome back to my channel. In an earlier video, I was making a card pack. My aunt asked me for 3 packs of cards for Christmas gifts. 3 pack of 5 cards. This here is the happy birthday card I ended up making. I didn't make one in that video because I didn't know what I wanted to make. And I finally figured it out, and I'm glad that I didn't go with my original one because look at how pretty that is. So these are the cards that I made to go in this card pack. What I wanted to do though is make her, I was gonna buy like the bags that people put all their cards in, but none of the reviews that I found mentioned how many cards would fit in any bag. And then I figured I have this vellum, and why not just make this handmade also? So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to make, I have everything figured out right here, which I don't usually do, so aren't you lucky today? I'm going to make these out of vellum because I thought vellum then wrapped in with a ribbon would be really pretty. And then she doesn't have to worry about anything but maybe putting it in a gift bag. So first of all, we need to cut our vellum to 6.5. So there we go, 6.5-inch pieces of vellum. I have 3 sheets right here because I'm just going to do all my scoring and everything. But I'm only making one on camera, but I wanted to make sure I had all of them cut. It's basically what I'm trying to say in some kind of way. I don't know what's going on with me. You can just ignore me. It's fine. So we're going to score at 1/2 inch on the 6.5-inch side. So we're going to score at 1/2 inch and then 3/4 inch. And that will give us where we will fold up and have everything attached. And you'll see. That's going to be this part right here. Okay? These 2 little scores. Then we're going to score at, hold on, I can't read my writing. Okay, that took me a while to decipher my writing. I was very sloppy. So we're going to score at 3.5 on the 12-inch side. So 3.5. And then 3 3/4, 3.5, 3 3/4, and then 8 1/4, and 8 1/2. And that is it for our score lines. Okay? Now what we're going to do, I'm going to use my ruler, and I'm going to make a line from the inner corner to the outer corner of, actually, so you can see better, I'm going to cut away so you don't get confused, this section here. Okay, and leaving us with just the middle section of score lines. Alright, so we're left with this, which is this. Okay? Then what we're going to do is, now that that's done, I'm going to take the inner corner to the outer corner, and I'm going to use a pencil and just draw a line. Same with on this side, the inner corner to the outer corner, and draw a line because we're going to trim that off, like so. And I'm just going to take it and try my best to cut away the pencil line so I don't have to erase. Okay? I'm going to do the same over here. Alright, like that. Now I'm going to burnish what score lines I have left to make our little box, bag, I don't know, what would you call it? Envelope. I really screwed the pooch on that score line. I somehow went super crooked. There we go, that's better. We have that one, and then we have the next one, which I'm making sure that this is then straight with this score line when I'm scoring. So score lines can be, I mean, come on, it's, you never know. Your paper could shift, especially vellum. Normally I wouldn't do this out of vellum, but I looked through my papers and I didn't have 3 identical papers that I thought would go well with this card set. And I didn't have craft paper, which I would have done craft paper because that's like a theme running through these cards, but I didn't have any. So what I'm going to do is flip this upside down so I can run some double stick tape. I feel like this is easier to take this and run double stick tape across this score line here, and then another piece down here, and burnish that down nicely so we have a good, I don't know what word I'm looking for. It's alright, it's early, okay? I got up too early to make sure that I could finish this birthday card. So I'm just going to square everything up and make sure I pull these edges together. Get off my fingers. Stuck on my fingies. Take your time with it. And yes, it's going to stick to your fingers. That's just how it is. I'm going to take my bone folder and just burnish it down as good as I can. Then I'm going to come over and do the other side and wrap the other side around. Same way. But I do need to add just a little bit of tape to about here. Keep this edge down. This I should have used wet glue for, but honestly I don't have the patience right now to wait for wet glue to dry. Okay, there we go. I'm going to flip it upside down, put my bone folder in, and burnish it. There we go. Now, where's my card pack? My 5 envelopes. Fit in here nicely. Okay, 5 envelopes. If this one could get, there we go. It was getting caught up on the corner. And then I think maybe I'll do the happy birthday one. It's so bright. Slip in here. nicely. There we go. Like so. Now I just need ribbon. Let me grab some. Okay, I would like to point out that I don't have any ribbon. I barely have any ribbon left. And every time I go to the store and I look at the cost of ribbon, I say to myself, you don't need ribbon. But I do. Okay, so I'm just going to... No, I need ribbon. I literally need ribbon. This is not going to work. Well, my card packs are just going to have to use different ribbon. I don't think I have enough of one color. Okay, so we're going to make sure we have enough. I'd rather have too much than not enough. And we're going to, I'm just seeing how much I need. Okay, so I need about this much. Let's cut another length of this so I know exactly how much I have to do for my other one, so I don't have to do that again. Yeah. What I'll do then is switch out the front card of all the packs, and then my other one, I will put the hello card in the front to match this red ribbon, is what I think I'll do. And I'll put the feel better card in the front of the other one. They're going to different people, so it's not that it matters. She's not giving all 3 card packs to the same person. But I don't want the ribbon to look out of place either. You know what I mean? So we're just going to even them out. Okay, and try as I might to keep the, here we go, the ribbon there we go. Done. She could untie this and slip a tag on there or something, whatever she wants to do. I don't know what she's going to do. Personally, I would put 5 stamps in here. I would make sure I did that, especially now with the price of frickin' stamps. So she can easily take this apart. I didn't glue anything down, and she has those kind of items. She can glue stuff down if she needs to. But that is our grouped up, where are the cards? Grouping of cards. Like I said, I think on this grouping, which I'm still waiting for, I would use this ribbon, and then I would switch out to this one and use this ribbon. And that's what I would do. But I'm waiting on envelopes, so I don't have enough envelopes to finish up these packs. But there you go. This is an easy way to package up your cards for a gift if you don't want to buy the cellophane bags everybody uses. Which, for the 3 card packs, it's not about being a waste of money, but I just felt I could just do this myself, right? Right. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next crafty video. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and have a great rest of your day.